Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone display setting, and in this video friends I will show you guys how to change display size on Google phone. Friends, you want to change guys your phone display size on Google phone. So how to change display size today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on display setting. Friends, you want to on adaptive brightness means auto brightness, so you can on from here and you can use it. Friends, you want to increase your brightness, you want to decrease. So friends, you can increase and decrease brightness from here. Then guys, scroll it. Friends, screen timeout you want to change on Google phone, you can change from here. So friends, we will click on display and text setting. Friends, you want to change your phone text size, you can change guys your phone text size from here. So friends, I will not change, I will change only display size. So friends, display guys large size exercise, and guys you can see larger size guys. You want to change, so you can change. Friends, you can see phone display size will change on Google Pixel phone guys. So like that guys, your display size will change. And friends, you want to set it to default size, mean normal size. So direct guys we will search display setting guys. So display setting guys, you can see display and text setting, tap here guys, and guys you can see display setting, tap here. And guys you will have to click on the reset option, tap here, and guys your setting will reset, means guys your display size will set into default medium size, you can see guys. And friends, one more setting guys, friends click on again display setting, and friends you can see guys bold tags. Friends, you want to on guys your bold font, mean bold tags, so you can on and you can use. And friends, you can see high content tags you want to on, so you can on it, and you can off this both of setting from here. So what tags will not bold, and guys you can see high content tags will also off it. So are you friends understood how to use the display size setting on Google Pixel phone? So that's it again, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.